Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can fix emails not sending or receiving in Google Workspace. So the first thing that you will do if you encounter this issue is you will look at your internet connection. If it's stable, just go ahead and click your refresh button here. And you could also verify recipient email address and check for typos. And you could also clear your Gmail cache and cookies and try sending again. So go ahead and click your delete browsing data and delete your cache images and files if needed, and then you will just have to click clear now in order to delete it. And you could also check your Google Workspace, so go ahead and click your admin console, and basically you will see your apps there, and then go to Gmail and then click email lag search for delivery errors, and then you will ensure MX records are correctly set up for your domain. And by the way, if this problem persists, you could just contact the Google Workspace anytime you want. So, yeah, so that you will be able to actually clarify the issue and seek and get help about your issue. So, yeah, here's your contact support, by the way. You'll just have to click get support in order to uh, really tell them the problem that you are facing. So yeah, that's basically just how it is, and I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.